In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a channel in Slack. Whether you're a newcomer to Slack or just need a refresher, this easy guide will help you navigate through the platform efficiently to join any channel you're interested in. Let's begin by heading to the home page of your Slack workspace. You'll notice a section dedicated to channels. Channels are central to Slack, serving as the main space where team conversations happen. Think of them as different rooms in a house, each with its specific purpose and topic. They can be dedicated to projects, teams, or any other specific topics your organization might need. Once you're on the homepage, find the channel section. It's typically on the left side of your screen, where all your direct messages and channels are displayed. Here you should see a drop-down menu, which is the key to exploring and joining channels you aren't yet part of. Click on this drop-down menu, and within the options you'll see one labeled Browse Channels. Clicking this will open a window showcasing all the available channels in your workspace. This list might seem daunting at first, especially in large organizations, but don't worry. Each channel usually has a name and description to help you identify its purpose immediately. Now, as you scroll through the list, you might notice some channels are already marked with a check indicator and a green highlight. These are the ones you've previously joined, but for the ones you're looking to join, there won't be any such indicator. It's like a little digital handshake waiting for your participation. When you're having a look at the channels, take advantage of the filters in the drop-down menu. You'll have the option to check channels by type, whether it's public channels open for all or private channels limited to certain members. Click around to explore. Understanding the type of channel is crucial because different channels might have different permissions and rules for joining. If you find a specific channel that piques your interest and it's open for joining, you should see a join option when you click on it. Go ahead and click join. Keep in mind, however, for certain channels you might require access or permission from an admin or team member. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out to them for the necessary permissions. And there you have it, you're now part of a new channel in Slack. You're ready to start collaborating, sharing ideas, and staying informed on relevant topics. Remember, joining channels is an excellent way to integrate yourself into the team and stay updated on projects and conversations that matter. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Slack experience.